Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today's video is yet another Home Bargains haul. I am sorry if you are sick of them, but I do obviously spend way too much money and time shopping at Home Bargains. However, this actual shop I didn't go into store. This is like a combination of a couple of online orders I've done. I've said before about having a look online for Home Bargains because they sort of update it quite regularly and there's new stuff on there and you can get a lot of good stuff without having to go out into the shop. So yeah, a lot of essentials and things. Obviously if you're trying to avoid going anywhere, then it's worth having a look on the website to see what you can get. So this is a couple of orders that I've done over the last couple of weeks that I just wanted to show you. A lot of storage items. Again, I keep going on about storage items, but this is January, trying to sort my life out. So I'm going to go through everything, show you what I got. There's not loads of stuff and a lot of it's quite practical, but there is a few nice little bits in there as well. So without further ado, I will get straight into the video and show you everything that I've been buying from Home Bargains. First of all, I will just apologise if it is a bit noisy in the background of this video. 3 boys at home, it just cannot be helped. They're just upstairs at the minute getting themselves ready for the day because it is still very early, so you'll probably hear a lot of banging because they just sound like elephants up there. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you the first item, which is one that I am so excited about. This is something that I've wanted for a while and feel a little bit like life is complete now that I've got one, and it is this DYMO label maker. I am so excited to start labelling everything. This was a really good price, I thought, because it was $11.99 and it is like the labels that are the embossed ones. So I got some tape as well, which I'll show you to go in it. But yeah, $11.99. I keep saying about storage and organisation. That is what I'm just really focusing on at the moment, and I'm going to go through my like pantry kitchen cupboard and label up all the jars in there. So I'm going to have a really good afternoon going through all of my jars and labelling them up. Call me sad, but that is what a good afternoon looks like to me now. So I'll just show you the tape that you can get with it as well. I don't know if this actually comes with any. Yeah, it does come with some tape, I think, and then I bought some as well because I feel like I'm going to get through quite a lot. But yeah, this is all online, so hopefully they've still got things on there. The one thing with Home Bargains online is I think they sort of change things quite regularly, so it's worth looking quite often to see what new things go on there, and then just I don't know how long they keep things on the website for, but this was on there last time I checked. The tape comes like this. This was $6.99 and you get 3 rolls in there, and then you can just sort of see the sort of the look of the label. That's how it comes out, and yeah, it's like a 3D sort of look, and I'm excited to get labeling. Pretty much everything in my house is gonna have a label on it from now on. I just, yeah, life complete now that I have my very own label maker. One of my favourite things ever that I bought from Home Bargains is this tray. I think they do this in gold as well, but this, I got it in the silver. I love this so much. I keep it on my footstool in the living room. I think it was around $7.99. It needs a little bit of a wipe actually, so please don't judge the smudges. But yeah, I think this is such a good price. I think you could easily pay double that in more expensive shops. I just think it's a great product, and it just adds that little bit of glam. It's real looks for less, so it's like an expensive looking item but obviously not an expensive price. So I love a Mirage tray. I love trays. I have trays all around the house, and I just love that about Home Bargains. I love that you can get these expensive looking items that just don't cost the earth. I'm not really somebody that shops in more expensive homeware shops like Next and things, because I just think it's really worth looking out for the much more affordable, more affordable to me, items that you can get in places like Home Bargains, B&M. So I just love a bargain, and I think that is a complete bargain. So yeah, have a look out for them. $7.99, I think. I might be wrong, you might have to correct me there. I have also been buying a ton of storage boxes. There is actually some storage boxes that I got from Home Bargains that I can't show you. Does anybody else call it Home Bargains or just me? But yeah, there's a ton of other boxes that I did buy, but they've already gone up in the loft, but they were a good price, and they were also on the website. They were all ones that I've ordered, and it's quite good if they're on the website, because then if you're gonna like want to measure where you're putting the boxes, you can do that whilst you're at home, and then just order them as you go. But I got 24 of these ones. I've had these before, I've got a few around the house, but they came, if you buy them online, you kind of have to, a lot of things you have to buy in bulk. So there was 24 of these. You get white, which I've got some of, black and grey. These are going to go in some of the kitchen cupboards. I've forgotten how much I paid for 24. Let me just check. Okay, so I paid £23.76, I think, or 78. I've just checked and I've forgotten already. 76 or 78. So around just under £1 each for these ones. They had the medium ones that you could buy in maybe a case of 12, I think, maybe slightly smaller. But I got the small ones, 24 of them, and I cannot wait as well to start filling these up, and maybe I'll stick a label on them as well. I also got a new shower curtain for £4.99. I just try and update the bathroom any way I can, to be honest, because it really needs redecorating. It's my least favourite room in the house. I just want to try and give that a slight makeover with a few different bits. But this was £4.99, like I say. It is this like waffle grey pattern. Again, I think it looks pretty expensive looking. I think it's going to help to sort of just make the bathroom look a bit fresher. I also got one of these. Well, they sent two, so I think it was a 2-pack, because I don't think they sent me one by accident. I only ordered one of them. So these are £3.98, like I say, I think for two. And I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to find use for it or not. I want something that means that my bin isn't on show, so I thought I would just get one of these. I also needed to get rid of my bin. It's really had it, basically. So you just hook them over the sides of cupboards or wherever you want to put them, but I'm not sure whether it's going to work where I want it to. I haven't tried it yet, but it just comes like that, and then obviously it holds your bin bag. Yeah, we shall see. I might try and see if I can fit that somewhere. I just don't want it to be on show, so I want to try and put it inside a cupboard or a drawer, or I might have to actually just get some cupboard bin inserts. Maybe I can use them for something else. They'll come in somewhere. But yeah, 2-pack for £3.98. I also got one of these 2-tier door caddies. This was £4.99. Again, I'm thinking for somewhere in the kitchen, but I'm not sure because of my doors. This is something I didn't give much thought of, whether this is going to be too thick. So it might have to go on a different door, but it's one of them things that you can use in a lot of places. It doesn't have to be in the kitchen. You could use it in the bathroom or in your wardrobe or something. So again, I'm going to find somewhere for that to go. It might actually be better to go on back of the boys' wardrobe, and then I can put a few things of theirs in there, but it just handy storage. So this was £4.99. I was also looking for a way to store my iron and ironing board, because everything's changed around now in the kitchen now that I've had the kitchen done. So I saw this and thought I'd give this a try. So it's an iron and ironing board holder. How does it work? This is the main bit, so that's where you put your iron, that's where you hang your board, and then it's got these 2 hooks that hook on and then hook over your doors. It has got screw holes as well, so you could attach it there if you wanted to not use these, I'd assume. So yeah, another handy bit of storage. Not 100% sure which door or where it's going to go, but I just think all of these things were such a good price. Oh, so the price for this one isn't actually on my invoice for some reason. I'm not sure why that's not on there, but it was around a similar price to the 2-tier door storage that I've just shown you. So hopefully they still have them online if you want to go and check them out. But another handy bit of storage. You don't have to use it for an iron, you could use it for other things. So I love anything that's going to give me a little bit more storage and it can be hidden away. I also got some of these. Now I've already taken them out of the packet because I was too eager to try and stick them up in the wardrobe, but then I realised they actually need batteries. But these were £4.99. They come with a little remote as well, but they are these stick-on lights. So really handy if you've got cupboards or wardrobes. Like I've got, my wardrobe has not got a light in. Hopefully it will do at some point, but at the minute it's really awkward in there and dark and it's hard to see, so I wanted to get some of these. I have seen people put them like up their stairs, and then you can obviously put them under shelves, and it just can look really effective with these sort of lights. So I thought I'd pick some up. So £4.99 for 3 of them, and they come with a little remote, like I say, so you can just switch them off using that. But they do need quite a few batteries, which is a bit of a pain. I've forgotten which batteries they need, but not ones that I've got. So I need to go and get some batteries for them before I can see if they're any good or not. Another thing that I got, which I can't show you properly, and you might have seen it before in one of my videos because I have been using this in the boys' room, is this huge rug. This was £17.99 and I just absolutely love this. I love the pattern. I think it is a really good price. I'm pretty sure you could probably put it in the washing machine if you were really gentle with it. The only thing that's a little bit of a pain about it is when it gets like little pulls. The kids, if they've got like their toys on it, it's quite easy to sort of snag a bit of the thread because it's just this woven fabric. And this was, yeah, £17.99 for this, and it's a really nice big rug. They've got a lot of rugs on there at the moment. I think at the minute they've got a lot of bedding as well. They seem to sort of do different themes of items. I don't know whether it's each week, but like they had a lot of fitness stuff last week, which was just no interest to me whatsoever. A lot of weight loss stuff. I just thought, oh, that's not homeware. And now I can see there's a lot of bedding on there and things like that. So yeah, happy with this because it just goes with their room so well. It's a lot like the bath mat that I got from B&M. This pattern is just everywhere at the minute and I am really drawn to it. I'm loving everything with this print. So that is another great purchase from Home Bargains. Thank you, Home Bargains. I also picked up a Radiator Aero for £2.49. Another item that's just really handy. I feel like my dryer is just the worst dryer in the world and takes hours to get anything done. I also have to be really careful of shrinking Peter's clothes, which I've done more times than I will ever admit. I just don't know what it is with his clothes, but if they go in the dryer, they go like, they just shrink like crazy. My clothes don't seem to shrink if they go in the dryer, but Peter's do, and when he puts a t-shirt on a lot of the time, he can look like Winnie the Pooh in a crop top. So I need to always be careful. I need to dry them other ways. So this is just going to be perfect just to get his t-shirts dry, really. That's the main purpose of this. I also picked up a brownie tin for £2.99 because I really want to make some brownies. They are just my favourite. I love brownies. And I did say in my B&M haul that I was going to make some with some cream eggs. So that is definitely going to have to be on the cards in the next couple of weeks. I've always found the Jane Asher range really good and really reasonably priced. It was just one of those things I didn't have. I'm slowly trying to replace all of my bakeware stuff because my tins and things are just really in need of replacing. So cannot wait to try that out either. So quite often I will order the Mrs. Hinch Lenore, whatever her washing tablets are, that are around £4.99, and I did have them in my basket this time, and then I spotted these and thought, no, I'm going to try these because they are cheaper. These were £2.49 and you get 20 washes. Mostly I find that the cheaper washing tablets for me don't really seem to be that different, so yeah, I thought I would give them a try. £2.49 I thought was a good price for them. And then the last item to show you is this. I am not hoarding toilet roll, but I did pick up one of these. These was £6.49 and you get 32 rolls, and I thought that was a really good price. I've struggled a lot to get toilet roll from my online shops, so I thought this is a good price. If you are looking for household items, cleaning products, then Home Bargains, you can still, because obviously Home Bargains is the one for those things. Like, that's what I would normally nip in there for all the time to get things like that, but I'm obviously not doing that at the moment. I'm not going in to shops at all, really, apart from twice, I think, in the last however many months. So yeah, it's worth having a look on there because they do have these nice big bulky sizes, so I got one of those. So there we go, that is everything I have to show you. This is all off the website. Really impressed with it. I just find it so convenient and easy. I think delivery is around £3.99, but if it saves a journey into the shop, then that suits me fine. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and it would be really nice if you gave it a big thumbs up if you did, and I would love to see you again for my next one. I hope you take care, and I'll see you again. Bye.